What if the greatest disaster in human history is written in plain sight, not on Earth, but on the Moon? For generations, we have stared at lunar craters like Tycho and Copernicus, marveling at their perfect rims and clean central peaks. We call them impacts because that is the only mechanism we have allowed ourselves to imagine. But nature rarely leaves perfection behind when it destroys. Under magnification, these craters don't look like violence from above. They look like something blasted up from below. Clean symmetry, bright electro-sorted rays, uplifted centers like the mark of a pinched plasma column. These are laboratory signatures, not random rock strikes. And on Earth, we find the matching scars. The Earth-Moon system is not just rocks and gravity. It is an electrical ecosystem. The Moon regularly slides into our magnetotail, riding currents that wrap the planet like threads of force. During an extreme solar storm, that system can overload. Electric charge builds faster than the ionosphere can bleed it into space. The Earth becomes a charged sphere searching desperately for a ground path. And one night in the forgotten past, the path was the Moon. A Birkeland current, a filament of plasma millions of amps strong, struck from Earth to the lunar surface in a single, devastating arc. At the point of constriction, electrons cycloned into microwave emission, billions of watts of GHz frequency heat delivered in milliseconds. A planetary microwave vent erupted, a blinding column punching through the atmosphere. Anything conductive became a lightning rod. Ancient megaliths, precisely aligned to the sky, suddenly became death poles. Pyramids went from resonators to targets. Cities that once harnessed the geomagnetic current were vaporized by it. Stone softened, water flashed to steam, soils sintered into glass. In some places, deserts, tuffs, volcanic plains, the crust froze into vertical pillars as steam vented explosively upward, then cooled instantly. Nature's petrified lightning. Earth remembers too, in the ruins that remain half-swallowed. The Sphinx in Giza, once fully exposed, now buried in drifts too fast for wind alone. Vitrified forts in Scotland, India, Peru, melted at temperatures civilization should not have reached. On the Moon, the return strike excavated a perfect circular cavity with a central uplift, the telltale dimple seen in only the freshest craters. The blast ejected bright dust in radial patterns that still shine today, like scaled-up Lichtenberg fractals, frozen in space. The lunar surface remembers the exact geometry of the current that struck it. Everywhere we find glass, microwaved mineral signatures, and debris that should have taken millennia to accumulate, yet appears rapid, chaotic, catastrophic. This is not fringe speculation. It is a testable hypothesis. It means the last high civilization on Earth did not fall slowly. It short-circuited.